now really when we go back then to falling in love and say it's crazy. Falling. You see? We don't say rising into love. There is in it the idea of the fall.
I promise to encourage your compassion because that's what makes you unique and wonderful. I promise to nurture your dreams because through them your soul shines.
I feel so pretty. Which is like a really big deal for me. Gorgeous.
I promise to help shoulder our challenges, for there is nothing we cannot face if we stand together.
And it goes back, as a matter of fact, to extremely fundamental things. That there is always a curious tie at some point between the fall and the creation. Taking this ghastly risk is the condition of there being life. You see, for all, the life is an act of faith and an act of gamble.
To me, your love is like water. It's shapeless and formless, yet peaceful and strong. You can't live with water, and I, my love, cannot live without you. Today is the day where our unique roads of life cease to run in parallel and instead truly intersect to become one path moving forward. And so, darling, I promise to listen for as long as it takes for you to feel heard. I promise to be your unrelenting cheer squad if it feels like too much. I promise to find you when you feel lost in the dark, and when your world is spinning, I will always be there with my hand outstretched to steady you. I will never let you fall. Life isn't easy. Love isn't easy. It's a choice. And today, and for every day for the rest of my life, as long as I'm breathing, I will choose you.
I promise to remind you that my jokes are funny so you remember to laugh. Lastly, I promise you my imperfect love and perfect trust. For one lifetime with you could never be enough. This is my sacred vow to you, my equal in all things. I don't know what I did in this life to deserve this, to spend the rest of it with you, but know this, future Mrs. Hawthorne, loving you is a privilege and the greatest honor I've ever known. I choose you today, and I vow to choose you each and every day you'll have me with a love stronger than the day before.
And now it is my true honor to pronounce you partner's wife, forgiving and patient, faithful stewards in others' hearts, husband and wife for the first time. Mr. and Mrs. Hawthorne, you may now kiss the bride.